Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we are diving into the world of PHP frameworks. PHP is written at the center as an icon. PHP frameworks will allow you to write code more efficiently. It gives structure to your code so you can develop web applications in a systematic fashion. Let's get started with an introduction and overview of what PHP frameworks are all about. So, what exactly are PHP frameworks? Well, imagine having a set of pre-built tools and libraries that provide a structure for building your PHP applications. That's precisely what PHP frameworks offer. They provide common functionalities and development patterns that allows you to build web applications efficiently. Think of it as having a solid foundation upon which to build your house, rather than starting from scratch every time. This foundation gives your development a clear structure and enhances productivity. Now, why should you consider using PHP frameworks? There are several compelling reasons. First and foremost, they enable faster development. With pre-built components and templates, you can accelerate your coding process and reduce development time significantly. Secondly, PHP frameworks offer enhanced security. They come with built-in protections against common web vulnerabilities such as cross-site scripting and SQL injection, helping you to build more secure applications. PHP frameworks can be broadly categorized into two main types: full-stack frameworks and micro-frameworks. Full-stack frameworks such as Laravel and Symfony provide complete solutions with model view controller architecture and extensive features out of the box. They are well suited for building complex web applications with diverse functionalities. On the other hand, micro-frameworks like Slim and Silex are lightweight and minimalistic, focusing on providing essential tools for building APIs and small to medium-sized applications. They are ideal for projects that require flexibility and simplicity. Let's begin by exploring Laravel, which is widely regarded as one of the most popular PHP frameworks available today. Laravel distinguishes itself with its elegant syntax and robust features, making it a favorite among developers. Some of the key features that Laravel offers include eloquent object relational mapping, which simplifies database interactions. Artisan command line interface provides helpful commands for common tasks. Blade templating engine enables dynamic content generation. Finally, built-in authentication streamlines user authentication processes. As you can see in this code example, it showcases the process of defining routes for handling user-related requests. Next, let's explore Symfony, an enterprise-grade framework renowned for its reusable components and robust architecture. Symfony stands out with its modular components, allowing developers to pick and choose the specific features they need for their projects. Additionally, its dependency injection container promotes loose coupling and testability. The integration of the Twig templating engine facilitates the creation of dynamic and maintainable user interfaces. Furthermore, Symfony's Doctrine ORM provides powerful database management capabilities. This code snippet showcases a basic controller setup in Symfony, demonstrating how to handle incoming requests and return a JSON response. Let's explore CodeIgniter, a lightweight framework known for its simplicity and ease of use. CodeIgniter stands out with its small footprint. It does not take much space, making it ideal for projects that requires minimal overhead. Additionally, CodeIgniter offers simple configuration options, allowing developers to set up their applications quickly. Adhering to the model view controller architectural pattern promotes code organization and maintainability. This code example demonstrates how to create a basic controller in CodeIgniter, load a view, and pass data to it. Now let's explore Zend, also known as Laminas framework, an enterprise-focused framework known for its modular design and adherence to industry standards. Zend framework is characterized by its modular structure, allowing developers to create highly customizable and scalable applications. Adherence to PHP standards recommendations ensures interoperability and best practices. Zend framework is well suited for enterprise-level projects, requiring robust security and reliability. Its flexible components enable developers to tailor the framework to their specific needs. The code snippet demonstrates how to define a module in Zend framework, showcasing its modular architecture. Here we'll take a look at CakePHP. CakePHP is known for its convention over configuration approach. CakePHP promotes rapid development with its scaffolding features and built-in tools. One of the key highlights of CakePHP is its emphasis on convention over configuration. This reduces the need for manual setup and speeds up the development process. CakePHP features a built-in object relational mapping system. This simplifies database interactions and promotes code reusability. The code snippet demonstrates a model table in CakePHP, showcasing how to define custom finder methods for database queries. Let's explore Phalcon, a high-performance framework known for its speed and efficiency. Phalcon stands out as a C extension-based framework. This results in exceptional performance and low resource usage. Due to its architecture, Phalcon delivers blazing fast speeds, making it ideal for demanding applications. This efficient resource utilization ensures optimal performance, even under heavy loads. This code snippet showcases a service configuration in Phalcon, demonstrating how to register components and manage dependencies. Now that we've explored some of the most popular PHP frameworks, let's take a moment to compare them side by side. Laravel is best for rapid development and modern features. Symfony is best suited for enterprise applications and reusable components. CodeIgniter shines for beginners and simple projects. Zend framework is ideal for enterprise environments and modular architecture. CakePHP is tailored for convention-based development. Finally, Phalcon excels in high-performance applications. So, how do you go about choosing the right framework for your project? There are several factors to consider. Project requirements should be the first thing that comes to your mind. You should also consider team experience and expertise with specific frameworks. Performance needs and scalability plans should be considered and determined before starting development. Maintenance support and long-term sustainability are also important considerations when selecting a PHP framework. The key takeaway here is to choose based on your specific needs, team skills, and project goals rather than popularity alone. Thank you. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.